But nonetheless, we're gonna give it a chance. This next track is called Tanana, and let's see what this is. Tanana sounds like another attempt at a hit. I bet you, I already see Tanana. He's gonna rhyme this with banana. I'm sure he's going to. Let's see. If he doesn't actually rhyme with banana, I'll give him some credit. All right, so this is Davido, Tanana. It's inevitable, man.
It's another Saturday. I ain't come play. I know come shit, baby. I know come waste. Me I want Tanana. Me I want Tanana. Me I want Tanana. Me I want.
Okay. Okay, we're getting different angle now. Okay, we're getting something more sexually charged. Okay. Okay. Okay, the albums might be coming back at this point. It might just be coming back at this point. I come to put my matter to you. Hello. Oh wait, Queen Tiwa is here. Queen Tiwa is here. Why did Apple Music not show me? Oh my, I didn't see that one coming though. I didn't see that one coming. Tiwa is here. Okay, now let's brace ourselves. Let's see the transition. The transition was smooth, I won't lie. When Tiwa just showed up. Okay, I like that transition. Let's hear it.
Oh boy, you know be my second.
I like it.
But this your matter be like setup. I don't know what else to say.
Hello.
I'm feeling your type of way. My ego go to espresso.
Hello, oh, killing it, man. Tiwa is bringing life, bro. Tiwa is already bringing life, bro. Let's be straight here. Tiwa is bringing life into this record, and I'm here for it, bro.
Everything don't start. Black nigga from Barriga.
Hey.
Don't play me like La Liga.
Hey.
Oh baby. Oh baby. Let me walk.
Okay, Tiwa, let's go. I hear all this boom boom kind of sounds that she's making around, bro. You've been channeling her inner Dr. Mighty, you know? Hey, I like it, man. Let's go, Tiwa. Hey. Okay? Lucky reference to Davido's Gobe song, yeah? Nah, that's mad. I want tanana. Ah, okay. Okay, kiddo. LOL. Me, I want make quick. Hey. Cheers. I was thinking of that guy on Instagram. Enter my here. Cheers. Yo, but honestly, Tanana featuring Tiwa Savage. Yo, Apple Music didn't even show that Tiwa Savage was here. They need to fix that up. But honestly, man, one thing is because at this point in the album, I was looking for a song to love, looking for a song to cling on, and I think this was it. This was a song that I definitely from the intro I was hearing. Okay, first off, it didn't make the banana reference. I don't think I heard banana anywhere in the song. So yeah, I'll take that L. I'll take that L. The song is very, very sweet in a very juvenile way. It's very innocent in the sense that it feels very teenage love kind of way. It feels very Nollywood 2003, 2005. This guy, he wants to Tanana. By Tanana is referencing that he wants to get busy. And you can see in the female perspective now, Tiwa Savage comes in and almost tries to act shy, tries to play hard to get a little bit, looking kind of meet cute kind of thing that was going on there. I was like, this is very interesting, and I like the aspect. I like it being spontaneous. I like it being I like the idea that it's a different angle into that love matter, into that love scene, inviting a female vocalist that you can go back and forth with, in the sense that you're giving her a verse to have like a female perspective. I would have loved for them to go back and forth for the collaboration to be more cohesive. You know, just as cohesive as the song that they have on Celia. Pack well and balance well for me. You can see both of them harmonizing with each other at some point. And this song, they even had a very, honestly, maybe a stronger storyline that they could have worked with here. And I would have hoped that they developed on that storyline, do a little, like, dedicate one verse where they can go back and forth, where they like teasing each other. A little bit more creativity could have been poured into this, but nonetheless, the hook is solid. Like the beat alone, like it sets you into that very teenage love, that very innocent romance kind of feel. It looks as if everybody here is losing their virginity. You know what I mean? Like it gives that kind of vibe, you know. And it's very innocent, very very sweet love. He's saying tanana, but you know what he's referencing, but he's saying in a very shy way. He's making a very shy approach towards the girl. And I like that. I like that he's switching up angles. It's not every day. Babe, this is how much I love you. This is how much I love you. Some days, tell her how you want to. You know, different yarns, different yarns. You know what I mean? Make it more interesting to indulge in the album. And I feel like this is the point where the album is picking up again. I want this to follow up, and I want him to build on this momentum that he's gaining now with this track. We'll see how the next track goes. But nonetheless, I think Tanana was a solid one featuring Tiwa Savage. Tiwa Savage definitely showing that she's a very, very like solid collaborator when it comes to like elements like this. She was making herself comfortable, fitting into the narrative, fitting into the scene, and setting that Davido had already established on the song. And she jived in, made it very, very meet cute as well. I loved it. It was a very solid collaboration, honestly. And I think it's a song that I might be going back to more often. Thank you so much for watching that. The full album review / reaction is coming up shortly, or if it is out by now, it's over here. So definitely go follow that link and that tab and go watch it. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.